guys, it's Sam. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I actually have a very fun video for you guys planned. So today I'm going tulip picking with one of my best friends, Madison. We've been doing this for years. I want to say this is my 4th year going, and it is so fun. It just brings out spring, and I'm wearing this really nice dress. I'm wearing a sweatshirt over it because it's 49 degrees out and I'm freezing, but I'm wearing this floral orange pretty dress, and I think that it'll be really cute for pictures. This place is an hour away, and right now it is 7:30 in the morning, and the reason we're going so early is because I have to be home by 12 because I'm going into the city with my boyfriend after, and his mom and his brother, and they are going to see The Outsiders, and me and Chad are just going to walk around the city. And then I'm also going to vlog tomorrow, I think. If not in this vlog, then in a different vlog. It depends on how much footage I get. And tomorrow I'm hosting my first ever brunch at my apartment with all of my family, my boyfriend's mom, and my friend Madison, and I think Brianna might be coming as well. So with all of that being said, we have a very long 2 days ahead of us. If I do get enough footage, I will split this into 2 vlogs because I don't want it to be too long. But that's a little plan for today. Like I said, it's kind of cold out right now, and I'm really hoping it gets warmer because I just need it to get warmer. It's been raining recently in New Jersey, and yesterday it was raining so badly, but it was worth it because we had a double rainbow. I'll insert a picture on the screen, and it was just amazing. I'm a person who believes in signs, and I really needed to see that. I'm at Madison's house now. I think we're gonna get coffee first because it is so early on a Saturday, and I just desperately need coffee. I don't get coffee. She'll get coffee, and I'll get a refresher. The last thing I wanted to tell you guys right now is I have my hair in braids. I put these in braids yesterday, and I usually do it when my hair is wet, and then when I take it out the next day, it's really crimpy, which is what I wanted to do for photos. But I didn't do it when it was wet this time, and I don't know if it's gonna look nice. So I'm hoping my hair looks nice, because if not, then we're gonna have an issue. But I'm trying not to think about it until I get there. This place is an hour away, so we have a little bit of time to drink our coffees and kind of like wake up before we get there. It does open at 9, so since it's an hour away, that's why we have time to get coffee. We're gonna go right in at 9, and then we have to leave by like 10:30 since it is an hour away, and I need to be home by 12, so just to account for traffic and stuff like that. Hi, can I have a grande strawberry acai lemonade with no berries and really light ice, please?
Can I get a venti brown sugar oat milk shaken espresso with sweet cream cold foam?
Anything else?
Can I also get a chocolate croissant warmed?
Anything else?
That's it, thank you.
How are you today?
Good, how are you?
It's gonna be at 1802. And do you need straws for these?
Just one for the small one. You don't want a straw, right?
Thank you. Sorry.
Thank you.
I did my hair in a different way than I usually do, and I like it. I think it came out so good. Like, I have really naturally curly hair, and I usually like it's either really curly or pretty straight because I just blow dry it, maybe like a little flip at the end. So I've been trying to practice how to use a curling iron so I can get this effect, because I do Sam's hair a lot of the time, but I don't do my own. I'm getting pretty good at it. I mean, look at this. This is the best I've ever curled my hair.
It looks good.
I know. I've never done my hair this good.
How you doing?
You too.
It's freezing. Oh, it's really funny.
Okay, it's raining and it's very windy, of course. I don't know why we always decide to come on the worst weather days, but it's still very pretty, so I'm trying to make the most of it. Madison got pretty tulips. They look really pretty. It's cold. It is absolutely freezing whenever we come here for some reason. Bad weather. We're gonna drive home now because it's raining on top of it. It's extremely cloudy, and
Look at our hair.
yeah, I had to put my hair up because it kept hitting me in the face.
I forgot a hair tie, so I put my hood up and I tucked all my hair in.
Can't believe that we always choose to come on the literal worst days of the year. I will update you when I get home. Got McDonald's french fries because I just dropped Madison off and I am so hungry. I got nauseous, so I'm eating these fries as I am about to drive home. And they're so hot and warm, and when they're fresh, they're amazing. I'm obsessed. But I'm going to drive home now, redo my hair, and get ready for the city because the tulip farm literally messed up my hair so badly, so I have to fix it. It is now the next day. It's the day of my brunch and it's finally starting to look sunny outside, which is such a refreshing moment because for so long it has not been sunny at all. Like I said, it's been raining and then showing a little bit amount of sun, and I need some sun, so it's finally sunny, which is good. Madison is about to pick me up and we're going to go to my apartment to clean and set up and everything. It's 7:30. We were supposed to have a sleepover last night, but it just didn't work out, so we figured we would just do it today. I did go to the city and I did get hibachi last night for dinner with Chad's mom and brother, and it was so good. They went to see The Outsiders on Broadway and they said it was really good. Me and Chad just kind of walked around and enjoyed the city, even though it was literally freezing. And then we went to hibachi. I love hibachi and I haven't been there in so long, so it was nice to just go and watch the food get cooked in front of us and everything like that. But that is a little rundown. I'm going to stop and get coffee and then we're going to go to my apartment to get ready for the day. We just got to my apartment. We are stocking the fridge that is literally only filled with sodas and Gatorade and water. Literally has no food in it, so thank gosh people are bringing stuff and my mom's going to get food and everything. But we have to set up and we have to clean, so that's what we're gonna do now. Who opens a soda box like that?
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up when I dance around.
For the most part, my apartment is all cleaned. I have a few things that I have to set up that my grandma got me. First I have bigger cups and then smaller pink cups. Then I have this huge bag that she got. So first things first, I have 2 Happy Spring little square plates. I wanted this to be like a spring inspired brunch. So the theme is like pink, pastels, and all of that type of stuff. I also have some backup plates. So I have appetizer plates and then bigger plates in the back. I have a bigger tablecloth, which is for my island. I have a lot of forks. Then I have a smaller, actually it's the same size, tablecloth, but this is gonna go on the main table. I have some pink cups. I think I can use these for champagne because we're gonna do mimosas. I'm realizing now that she gave me a lot of plates. I have some more pink plates and then I have some syrup because I think we're gonna do pancakes or something like that. I'm going to pull all of this out. We're also going to run to the store because we need flowers, lemons, me and Madison wanna make a charcuterie board, champagne glasses if we can find them, orange juice, eggs, and butter. So we're gonna go to the store and then we're gonna put this out and decorate.
I don't have to be perfect, you don't have to be fine. You see something in me, for me it takes time. And I know I got feelings, I know you do too. So let's work on it, gotta make things fit, 'cause I'm right here for you. No, I don't wanna be tough, I just wanna be here and fall into you. Don't wanna be seen, nobody sees through me the way you do. And I can't.
We just got back. We are setting up everything. We have the table over there, and then this is gonna be where all the food goes. I have these really pretty tulips that we just got, and Madison is making a charcuterie board. Yeah.
It's just one of those days, feels like you're drifting away. It's just one of those days, feels like you're falling
this is what the table looks like. It's looking pretty cute. And then we have this little display over here. Madison did a good job with her board. Good job. And yeah, so this is what it looks like. And we're just waiting for the other food and then we have to get ready.
I want you to know how I feel. Though I may say it, I just think that I might have to spell it out.
We're all ready now. Pretty dresses. This is from Grey Bandit and I have no idea where this is from.
These are from Sam.
And this is from Marshalls. And I love it. Okay, I think everyone's coming now, so we're going to finish setting up really fast. I changed to a jean jacket because my mom told me the other one looked bad.
She did, I can attest to it.
Okay, but people are here now, so I'm gonna B-roll.